I'm Brandon Williams, stylist from Los Angeles, checking out Express Men's Knit Kit. The knit kit is great because one, it's a whole collection that's super comfortable, very stylish, and for me, I like to mix my highs and lows, and it's important that any outfit that I wear has versatility. So I can wear it with my sneakers or my dress shoes. I love the stretch jeans because they present an opportunity for me to actually be really comfortable and still stylish at the same time. That's a hard feat to accomplish. It goes well with my dress up shoe, I could wear it with a sneaker, and I can pair it with a lovely knit and an awesome jacket. Graphic tees are a great way to elevate your wardrobe and separate yourself from all the rest of the guys. First of all, get yourself a great collection of graphic tees and you can take this black blazer, these black trousers, and make it look like a dope outfit. I love this knit jacket because it adds so much character to normal foundational pieces. I got a black foundation, a black slack, but this plaid houndstooth knit jacket separates me in front of any crowd at any place at any time. This is a style hack for all you guys that have a pair of dope joggers and cool pattern pants. You can easily pair the two by putting the slim joggers on first and then the pattern pant. It gives you a cool, unique look that you can pair with anything in your closet, a blazer, hoodie, or a merino wool sweater like I did. The thing about merino wool sweaters is they're extremely breathable, they look great, and they form to your body, so it makes it cool for layering, as you see right here.